Chicken Licken, retold by Punter, illustrated by Garofalo. Chicken Licken is sitting under an oak tree. Suddenly, bonk! A tiny acorn falls on his head, but he doesn't see it. "Oh no!" cries Chicken Licken. "The sky is falling! I must tell Henny Penny." He dashes out of the woods and into the farmyard. "Henny Penny! Henny Penny!" cries Chicken Licken. "The sky is falling!" "Oh no!" clucks Henny Penny. "We must tell Turkey Lurkey." "Turkey Lurkey! Turkey Lurkey!" cries Henny Penny. "The sky is falling!" "Oh no!" gobbles Turkey Lurkey. "We must tell Ducky Looky." "Ducky Looky! Ducky Looky!" cries Turkey Lurkey. "The sky is falling!" "Oh no!" quacks Ducky Lucky. "We must tell Goosey Lucy." "Goosey Lucy! Goosey Lucy!" cries Ducky Lucky. "The sky is falling!" "Oh no!" honks Goosey Lucy. "We must find a place to hide!" they cry. They run past Foxy Loxy. "Where are you going?" he asks. "The sky is falling!" "We need a place to hide," says Goosey Lucy. Foxy Loxy grins. "Hide in my tunnel." So the birds run inside. "Silly birds, I'm going to gobble you up," laughs Foxy Loxy. Bonk! Ow! An acorn falls on his head, but he doesn't see it. Perhaps the sky really is falling, he thinks, and he runs past the birds into the tunnel. The birds stare at Chicken Licken. "Are you sure the sky is falling?" they ask. "Well, I suppose it could have been an acorn," says Chicken Licken. "Oh, Chicken Licken," say his friends. "Let's all go home." Edited by Jenny Tyler and Lesley Sims. Designed by Punter and Laura Bridges.